Welcome to CookieMate's first video. Today I'm going to be making raspberry shortbread cookies using the Sakura cutter from the CookieMate shop. The recipes and the instructions will be posted in the description box below. In a large bowl, combine sugar, butter, and vanilla. Using a hand-raised stand mixer, combine your ingredients until they're smooth. Make sure to have your mixer on medium. Time to add the flour. Gradually mix in the flour until clumps begin to form, making sure you don't overmix your contents. Add the freeze-dried raspberries and fold into the mixture. The raspberries are going to give the cookies the pink and speckly look. Lay a piece of wax or parchment paper over your work surface. Turn your dough onto the paper and roll it out to about an inch thick. Afterwards, we want to make sure to refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. Dust your work surface and roll out your cookie dough to about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. Prior to use, coat your cookie cutter with spray oil, flour, or confectioner's sugar. Press the cookie cutter onto your dough and gently peel back to reveal the shape. Repeat as necessary. Let them cool completely on the cookie sheet or cooling rack. And there you have it, pink raspberry shortbread cookies.